Hello, I am Ibrahim Khalil Bala, a professional video editor and motion graphic designer with 4 to 5 years of experience turning ideas into compelling visual stories. Based in Nigeria, I have worked with individuals and companies across various industries, helping them solving one critical challenge: creating video content that truly connect with their target audience. Whether you need a high impact commercial, social media engaging content, or long form documentaries, I bring the technical skills and creative vision to deliver results. I am not just a video editor, I am a visual specialist. My expertise combine editing, motion graphics, color grading, sound design to create polished, professional content that stand out. I approach every project from start to finish, ensuring that the final product not only met but exceeded expectation. If you are looking for a professional video editor and motion graphic designer who will treat your project with creativity, professionalism, I am ready to help you. Thank you.